If you want to work as a nurse in Ireland, you must go through NMBI, and many people get stuck or delayed. In this video, I'll explain NMBI step by step and how to avoid mistakes. Welcome to Purpose Path TV Global. Ireland is one of the best countries for nurses in 2026, but NMBI registration is the most important step. What is NMBI? Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland. The official body that regulates nurses in Ireland. You cannot work without NMBI approval. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Create account. Register online. Pay application fee. Step 2. Submit documents. Nursing degree. License verification. Work experience. Passport. Step 3. Assessment. NMBI will review your application and decide. Direct registration or adaptation program or aptitude test. Step 4. English requirement. IELTS or OET if required. Step 5. Decision letter. This is very important. Used for job applications. Required for visa. Processing time. Usually 3 to 6 months. Can be longer if documents are incomplete. Common mistakes. Very important. 1. Incomplete documents. 2. Poor employment references. 3. Not starting early. 4. Waiting for job before applying. Start NMBI first. Final advice. 1. Start NMBI immediately. 2. Apply to agencies while waiting. 3. Prepare for interviews. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. In my next video, I will show you how to get jobs in Ireland.